Listen to me very carefully before you spend a single dollar on the new M4 Mac Mini. We need to talk. The tech world is brutal. You finally decide to upgrade your computer. You see the shiny new M4 Mac Mini. It looks perfect. It is small. It is powerful. It is affordable. You are ready to click that buy button. But wait, just as the M4 is hitting the shelves, something massive is happening behind the scenes at Apple. The leaks for the Apple M5 silicon are already spilling out, and they're painting a picture that might make you regret buying an M4 today. This isn't just about a small speed boost. This is about a fundamental shift in how Apple views desktop computing. The M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be the machine we have actually been waiting for, and the details are absolutely wild. Let's be real for a second. The M4 Mac Mini is a great machine. It has that new, tiny form factor. It looks like a shrunk-down Mac Studio. It is cute. But did you see where they put the power button? It is on the bottom. You have to lift the computer just to turn it on. It is a design choice that has everyone scratching their heads. But here is the secret. The M5 isn't just going to be faster. It is going to be smarter. The current reports indicate that the M5 generation is where Apple goes all in on AI and graphics performance. We're talking about the next leap in TSMC's manufacturing process. While the M4 is powerful, the M5 is expected to refine that power efficiency to a level we haven't seen before. This matters because of heat. The smaller the computer, the harder it is to cool. The M5 promises to deliver more power with less heat, meaning your fan might never even turn on. Let's talk about the raw power because this is where the leaks get spicy. The base model M5 is expected to keep the 10-core CPU setup. That sounds the same, right? Wrong. The architecture behind those cores is changing. But the real headline is the GPU. Apple knows that gaming and 3D rendering are their weak points. The leaks suggest a bump from 10 GPU cores to 12 in the base model alone. 2 extra cores might not sound like a lot, but in the world of Apple silicon, that is a 20% jump in graphical potential. If you're a video editor, a gamer, or someone who uses Blender, that is the difference between a smooth timeline and a choppy mess. And if you're looking at the M5 Pro, we are hearing rumors of 18 GPU cores. That is entering territory that rivals massive, power-hungry desktop towers. But here is the controversial part: memory and storage. Apple has been bullied for years about their stingy storage. Selling a Pro computer with 256 gigabytes of storage in 2024 is almost an insult. However, the winds are changing. There is a very strong rumor, backed by supply chain analysis, that the M5 generation might finally kill the 256 gigabytes baseline for good. We could see the base M5 Mac Mini starting at 512 gigabytes. If this happens, the value proposition changes completely. Imagine getting a 512 gigabytes SSD and 16 gigabytes or even 24 gigabytes of RAM as the standard. It would destroy every Windows Mini PC on the market. This single upgrade is worth waiting for. If you buy an M4 now with 256 gigabytes, you are buying a bottleneck. If you wait for the M5, you might be buying a future-proof powerhouse. So, when is this beast coming? This is the million-dollar question. Apple typically operates on an 18-month cycle, but they have been speeding up. We saw them skip the M3 chip for the Mac Mini entirely. They went straight from M2 to M4. This suggests Apple is not afraid to break their own rules. The current roadmap from analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo places the M5 mass production in late 2025. This means we are likely looking at a release window around November 2025 or early 2026. I know, that sounds far away, but think about the resale value. If you buy an M4 now, and the M5 drops next year with double the storage and better graphics for the same price, the value of your M4 will tank. We also need to look at the ecosystem. The M5 Mac Mini isn't launching in a vacuum. It is launching in a world where AI is king. Apple Intelligence is rolling out, but it is heavy. It eats RAM. It eats processor power. The M5 is being built specifically to handle these on-device AI tasks instantly. We're talking about image generation, real-time voice processing, and advanced coding assistants running locally on your desk. The M4 can do it, but the M5 will master it. The neural engine in the M5 is rumored to be a significant step up, specifically designed to handle the heavy loads of the next version of macOS. So what is the verdict? Should you buy or should you wait? If your current computer is dead, or if you're still rocking an Intel Mac that sounds like a jet engine, go get the M4. It is a fantastic machine. But if you can hold on, if your current setup is okay for now, then you need to wait. The M5 Mac Mini promises to fix the graphical shortcomings, potentially fix the storage insult, and deliver the AI performance that will define the next 5 years of computing. The price is expected to stay exactly the same. $599 for the base, $1,399 for the Pro. You get more machine for the same money just by being patient. Apple rewards the patient. The M5 is coming, and it is going to be the definitive desktop experience. If you like this video and want to stay ahead of the curve on Apple leaks, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with your friends who are thinking about upgrading so they don't make a mistake, and hit that bell icon so you're the first to know when the M5 finally drops. Give me your opinion in the comments. Are you buying the M4 or waiting for the beast? Thanks for watching.